Do you know that millions of people were killed across the globe during the European and British invasions? The America which we see today was originally a Native American population which lived over there. It is estimated that around 60 to 90 million Native American people were killed during the invasion. Estimated deaths to over 55 million people is there. They were killed by war and massacre, forced labor systems, starvation, and cultural destructions and enslavement. Many of them were forced into slavery by the European people. Similarly, Australia, there was Aboriginal Australian population before 1788 when the British came and captured Australia. It is estimated that the original population was around 1.2 million people, but by early 1900s the population fell to only 90,000. It is estimated that over 6 lakh deaths occurred. This death occurred by constant violence and massacre, forced removal from land, starvation, and the destruction of daily livelihood. The later policy of removing Aboriginal children from their family created what is known as the Stolen Nation. Many of the people were forced into religious conversion by the European settlers, especially the British. Next is the case of New Zealand. The Maori people, original people of New Zealand, the estimated population was around 1 lakh before the European settlers. But by the late 1800s, the population declined to 40,000. It is estimated that almost 60,000 people were massacred. They were massacred by the New Zealand War, the land confiscations, economic and social disruption. Unlike many indigenous population elsewhere, the Maori population recovered during the 20th century. Next is India. India experienced invasion over many centuries by different groups. The demographic effect varied greatly. Unlike America and Australia, there is Indians wiped out by many invaders. There was the early Central Asian invasion by Huns, then Turkic and Afghan invasion. Mongol raids happened in India. There was the Delhi Sultanate invasion, then the Mughal Empire, and later on the European colonial power, especially British rule, along with the Portuguese and Spanish rules. By medieval century, the military campaign sieges caused many deaths. During the British rule of 1757, 10 of millions of excess death occurred due to famine and disease and economic disruption. It is said that Bengal famine there was 10 million deaths. The Great Famine of 1878 there was 12 million deaths. It is said that this famine was deliberately created by the British, and the British stole most of the grains of India to East Indian Company, and they sent it outside India, and deliberately Indians were starved and massacred.